Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain 17th question for you from exercise 5.2 page number 107 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 so on till 253. So here in this problem we have to find out the 28th term from the last, not from the first but from the last of the series. So in order to do that, first of all we have to find out the number of terms in the series. So because we do not know how many terms are there in the series, let us assume the last term to be an. So an becomes 253. Now we have to find out the value of n. So we know the formula of an, right? Formula of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So from this series I will get the values of a. A is equal to first term is equal to 3 and the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So I have the values of a and d. I will substitute this in this equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 253. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 253 minus 3, that is equal to 250. N minus 1 is equal to 250. Now n minus 1 is equal to 250 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are 50. And n is equal to 50 plus 1, that is equal to 51. So how many terms are there in this series? There are 51 terms in this series. Now we have to count the 20th term from the last, that is from the 51st term. So how does the series look like? A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, A48, A49, A50, A51. This is how the series looks like, right? Now I have to count the 20th term from the end. So for example, let us look at the second term from the end. Second term from the end becomes A50, right? How do we get 50? 51 minus 1. So for the second term, I am subtracting 1 from 51. For example, let's see, I am calculating the third term from the end. Then I have to calculate, then the third term from the end will be A49, right? How do I get 49? 51 minus 2. So for the fourth term, I will subtract 51 minus 3. And for the fifth term, I will subtract 51 minus 4. In a similar way, the 20th term from the last becomes 20th term from last becomes A 51 minus 19. That is equal to A 32. Now I have to find out the value of A32. A32 is equal to A plus 32 minus 1 into D. That is equal to A plus 31D. What is A? A value is 3 plus 31 into D value is 5. That is equal to 3 plus 155. That is equal to 158. So the 20th term from the last is 158. Hope this is clear for you. I will explain the problem once again. So here he has given an arithmetic progression series 3, 8, 13 so on, and we have to find out the 20th term from the end, that is from 253. So in order to do that, first of all we have figured out how many numbers are there in this series, that is n value. So an, we have assumed an to be the last term, that is 253, and found out the n value to be 51. So there are 51 terms in this series. Now we got the number of terms in the series, right? So we are going to count the 20th term from the end. So 20th term from the end becomes 51 minus 19. 51 minus 19 is A32. So A32 is A plus 31D, which is equal to 158. So this is all for this session. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please do subscribe and share the videos, and until then, see you.